Are you doing hard work? All right, let's wash our drawers, huh? No? Yeah, okay, throw them in. Good job. Okay, keep going. You're doing good.
Oh.
Yeah, you want to wash your Lightning McQueen?
Oh.
Yeah, let's put him in. Do you need help? Good job.
Good job.
Yeah. Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, nice job.
Okay.
There you go. Good shot. You want Daddy help?
Yeah.
Do you want Daddy to help you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, socks. Yep, we got to clean our socks. Clean our dirty socks. Keep going. Yep, another sock. There you go. Good job, Carl. Find the right spot for it. Oh, no, we got to put more clothes in. Not done yet. Okay. We'll play more, but we got to get your clothes in there, kiddo.
Okay.
Yep, good job. Keep going. Yep, a little at a time. You got it. Throw them in there. Oh, good job. Sometimes you just got to stuff it in there. Sometimes the throw doesn't work. Oh, good work. Good shot. There you go. Did you find the right place for it? Is Daddy supervising? Get it just right, kiddo. Okay, put it in. Put it in the washer. Throw them in there. There you go. All right. No, we got to do more. No, we got to put more clothes in. Hold on, we got to put more clothes in, kiddo. See, we got to put all the clothes in.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. You can do it. Yeah, do your best, right? Is that what we do? We just try our best? Oh, yeah. You did good. Keep going. Oh, yeah. Good job, Carl. Hooray. Yeah, put your jeans in. There you go. Good work. You're almost there. Keep going. Yep, suck. Good job, Carl. There you go. A little bit more. Yep, grab more. Pull hard. Yeah, good job. You find the matching socks? Oh, you okay? You're doing good, kiddo. Good job. Okay, keep going. You want Daddy help? Oh, you want Daddy help? Here. Okay, you put it in. Daddy hand it to you. How's that? We'll do teamwork. Nice. Okay, here you go. Your jeans. Oh, yeah. There you go. You did it. Okay, here you go. Oh, a shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, a little further.
4.
Oh, there you go. We're getting closer. Yeah, stuff it in there. There you go. Good job.
Oh,
Yeah, oh, sock. Good job.
wait, D.
There you go. Are you doing hard work, Carl? Yeah. Daddy, help. Here you go.
Ow.
Oh, you okay?
Oh,
Oh, no. Good job. Okay, we got one more. Oh, here we go. Pants. Pants in there. All right. Good job. That's right. What do we got? One more? Oh, sock. Good job, Carl. Okay. You ready? Are we going to close the door? Okay. We got to close it all the way. Wait, close the door all the way, kiddo. Push harder. We'll go. There we go. Okay, got to open up the soap place. The soap tray. No, not that. No. Hold on. Hey, Daddy'll scoop some soap here, okay? No, thanks. See, we'll put the soap right there. Okay, good job. Okay, let's close the soap. Let's close the tray. There you go. Okay, turn it on. Where's the power button? Right there. Okay, hold on. We'll turn this and make it, see, on cotton normal. Good try. I know that's fun, isn't it? Okay, right there. You ready? Want to hit start? No. Okay, we gotta do power again. Turn it back on. Okay, here we go. We want it on cotton normal. There we go. Oh, no. Cotton normal. You silly goose. Right there. Okay, you want to hit start? Hit start. Press it hard. No. Okay, start. Hit start. No. Hey, Carl, cannot. Okay, there we go. Start. Carl, want to start it? Hey. Okay. You ready? Start. Okay, hit start. Got to get. Oh, hey, no. Hey, do you mind? No, let's not. Okay, there we go. Ready? Okay, good job. Stinker. Carl, do you want Daddy to start it? Or does Carl want to do it? Carl start it? Okay. Now we want cotton normal. We want right there. Good job. Perfect. Oh, there you go. Now just hit start. Okay, no, we gotta leave it going. No. Okay, all done. All day.